So there are lots of resources on YouTube. There are lots of resources on YouTube online that has helped me and shaped my digital marketing process. And today I'm going to share it with all. I'm going to share all of them with you so you get to understand how powerful YouTube is. But I hate the fact that there are lots of flops on YouTube, and me, I can't even tell you that there are lots of flops on YouTube. And let's get into the business for today. So my name is Victor, and starting off digital marketing in 2021 December. Yes, 2021 officially in December was very not healthy, because it took me a while to understand the kinds of content I need to be looking out for on YouTube. And the first video or the first content I stumbled on was Simply Learn. Now, Simply Learn, I love Simply Learn because anytime I talk about digital marketing, learning digital marketing, I will always say learning fundamentals is important, then learning Google Ads is important, then getting the specialization, right? So for Simply Learn, I got to understand the fundamentals of digital marketing. So I took 2 courses, everything on YouTube basically. So the first one was, I think, Introduction to Digital Marketing. That was like 2 minutes course to just understand what digital marketing is. I mean, 2 minutes or 5 minutes. And the other one was 8 hours. Then the other one was 7 hours. All these are digital marketing fundamental course. Now it broke down every single thing I need to understand about digital marketing, the relationship between all digital marketing channels, and just it's very rich. It's very, so can you imagine 7 hours every day going back to it and still learning and getting to understand what exactly this whole digital marketing thing is all about, right? So at that point I was still confused about digital marketing, I won't even lie. Then I stumbled on Ovis Ahmed. I'm still amazed on how I stumbled on this channel, because the first video I watched from him, it was about digital marketing, life of a digital marketer in Dubai. And till today, that video is still amazing because it gave me a real picture of what digital marketing is, right? How it feels working in a digital marketing agency, not just a tech company, not just any agency, but an ideal digital marketing agency. And I was like, okay, so this is really what digital marketing is all about, right? Because the friend that told me about digital marketing, it was just very casual, but getting to understand a day in the life of a digital marketer in Dubai, UAE, I got to understand that, okay, so there's really a lot about digital marketing that I think I would want to do, and I love the fact that it's soft life. All right, so getting to understand life in digital marketing in UAE, then I looked about what a digital marketer is, right, from Ovis Ahmed. Then at that point he started a course on fundamentals of digital marketing, right? Then another walkthrough seminar on who, the what, the why in digital marketing. Just like cool stuff. So I started understanding and started flowing, understanding, okay, so this is what digital marketing is, just everything around the fundamentals. Then getting my ground on the fundamentals, then I needed to take it a bit further, right? And this is where Google Ads came into the picture, and Ovis Ahmed was still the guy that was still, I still took the course for Ovis Ahmed. So he started his introduction to Google Ads, right, which is now, some parts are for membership, some parts are paid, and some parts are still free. You can still check it out here, right? And this course was just it. Every single thing I need to understand about digital marketing, such as, because Ovis Ahmed is just a big authority in performance marketing, and that's why I love him so much, right? And getting to understand Google Ads, then seeing another YouTube channel. I think I've forgotten that the only thing they talk about is Google Ads. Then I was like, okay, fine, Google Ads is already here, then let's take it a little bit further. And this is where SEO came in. And for SEO, right, lots of persons were saying a lot in SEO on YouTube, and it's so much annoying. So I figured out that Neil Patel has a playlist, SEO Unlocked, right? And this is where I learned SEO, right? SEO Unlocked is, I think that the playlist has like 7 models, 8 on SEO Unlocked. So every single thing you need to understand about SEO Unlocked. So I took everything on YouTube, right? And why it's very difficult to learn on YouTube, I would say, is Now compared to, so this is the investment I was making at this point. I was investing my time in terms of learning, but because for YouTube you take lots of hours to learn, and the only thing that will stand out for you, right, is if you start implementing. And now I've taken fundamentals of digital marketing, I've taken Google Ads, and now also SEO, but I need to start implementing. So this is where I got to learn how to build a website, how to develop a simple website with WordPress. Then every single thing I started learning from SEO Unlocked, and I started implementing it on this website, and that website was as 360, right? So as I was learning, I was implementing. I was learning as I was implementing. Mind you, I didn't buy any course. I didn't do any. I didn't pay for any course. It's up to 2025. I mean, it's last year 2024. I got my first paid course. Sorry, yes, my first paid course. But the other things I was doing, yeah. So I registered for next MBA marketing. So that's another paid program I took. That's a long run paid program, right? But the ideal course I have paid so far, the only ideal call I've paid so far is still Neil Patel. Sorry, not Neil Patel, Ovis Ahmed, and that is AI with marketing, digital marketing with AI, ChatGPT. Right, that is the only course I've paid for so far, and the rest of the learning process for me up to this point is always YouTube, because I just have 4 or 5 persons I listen to, then working on their content, then implementing. And this is how I've been learning, and this is how I still see myself learning. And even if I'm going to be going for paid courses in the future, right, it's going to be probably real-time mentorship programs or more advanced programs, right, in business development, business management, business processes, right? But for digital marketing, I mean, when I have Neil Patel, when I have Obi Samuel, when I have Gary V, when I have Alex Mozi, when I have I think these four, then the rest are just sides, right? When I have these 4 guys, I mean, I shouldn't be looking out for more things to buy. Instead, it's the application, because that's what just makes you stand out. And I hope this is going to help change your learning process and learning decisions, right? YouTube